Now see the advantage of the AP calculation. So before the AP calculation, just go through the sum problem. We first calculate the UFP, then calculate the TCF, and the final AP is a UFP multiply TCF. Whatever the value is your function point value. Now advantage, it is obvious thing. Whatever the demerit of the LOC is overcome using the AP. So that is the language independent and the technology independent. Directly estimate the size from the requirement before design and coding. Yes, useful even for those users without technical expertise. Means those have no skill power of the using the technical. They have no technical skill. They can also using this formula easily can estimate the size of the project. Now we're going through another sum problem of the AP. So compute AP productivity documentation cost per function for the following data. So these are the data. Effort is given, technical documentation is given, user document given, cost is given, and various processing complexity factor are also given. Now go for the solution. So these are the parameter. So parameter and this is a value. So weighting factor we consider is a average type of project. So we are taking the value of the average. So, see the table. So average type of, see the average type of value is taken. The project size, based on the project size, the value is taken. So I think some value are different. So you just take, if you consider this is the average type of project, this value take as per the average type of weighting factor. So we just here we do some mistake. So just calculate the value. We get the value 378. Now sum of all fi, that is the I varies from 1 to 14. So we are calculating the value based on the value given. So we are calculating the value is the 43. Now AP. AP is a count total. This is a count total. This value multiplied with the TCF. So TCF, now calculating the using the formula, calculation is done. Now this is the ultimate value. Now productivity formula is a function point divided by effort. Effort is given to using the formula we calculate the productivity. Now you have to find the documentation. So first, before the calculation, the technical documentation is there and user documentation is there. Technical documentation is 265 pages and user documentation is 122 pages. Now calculation, the documentation. The total page of the documentation is a technical document and the user document. There is a 265 plus 122 and this is 387 pages. Now the formula of the documentation is a pages of document by FP. This is a formula. So using the formula we calculate the documentation. Now the last one is the cost per function. Cost per function means this is a cost divided by productivity. You already know the value and based on the value you just calculate the value of the cost per function. So this is another mathematical problem solved of the AP. These two problems are very much important on AP.